Yet another corroded data CPU. You can see from the overview that this one got all the way from here. I marked this with the silver line of where I needed to abate the alkaline corrosion, and it went all the way up into here, into these SIP resistors and filtering capacitors, noise filtering capacitors. So I've taken care of all that, replaced parts as necessary. 7408 was dead here also, and installed NVRAM, and I have a Simpsons ROM in it right now, so let's boot it up. And you can see that the lamp matrix is working properly. None of the coils are turned on right now. We got a little boot sound. Let's get into the tests. And if I can operate the sounds.
Hey man, we're both underachievers.
You can see that all the sounds are being commanded properly. Display test. All good. Switch test. And again, I use the Pennytech tester. And let's just go diagonal across. Sorry, it's a little hard to get my finger across that. Here's all of column 1 and all of row 1. So all the switches are working properly. Lamps. And then we'll have the opportunity to do the lamp returns, as it says on the display. Proper. And now the lamp columns all working. And the single lamps. Yay. Next test is all the flashers. A lot of flashers on that Simpsons. The next test is the coils. The super bright blue LED represents the AC select coil. So that's like 6 and 6A, 7, 7A, 8, 8A, and then 9. It already did 10, 11, 12. 15, 16, now the special solenoids. And this is something that wasn't working until I repaired it. It was again the dead 7408. Now I'm going to rake the switch inputs with a ground wire. I'm just going to go like this. And this is going to prove that the special solenoid switch inputs are working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are all working properly. I think that's the end of the test. And we go back to a booted CPU configuration. Been a while on this one here. This one was a bit of a booger to make sure everything was still working properly. Got it all, and I'm gonna boot it up again with the Baywatch ROM in there just to make sure it boots, and then get it back to its customer. Thank you so much, and I appreciate your patience.